Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Let's talk about AMC. I got a 5 minute chart, a 4 minute chart on the left hand side, and the daily chart on the right hand side. And you will notice, if you guys haven't been paying attention, GME did move in after hours, and Monday we're closed. So Tuesday, keep an eye on GME because if GME starts moving to the upside, AMC is going to follow as well. We got a bottom down here at around 230 to 250. That is where we bottomed out before we had a big run to $12. And now, of course, we've dropped down as low as 439. We are going sideways here between these levels, 434 and 511. What I would look for on Tuesday morning in pre-market, see if we're moving, see if the stock breaks above that 511 level. If we break that and you see GME surging higher, we could see us. Let's switch to the lower time frames here so we can see what the levels are on the way back up. So you can see very clearly on the lower time frames, you can see that we have bottomed out down here. We'll see if this bottom holds, but down here is where people keep buying the dip. Again, if we break out on Tuesday, we could see if that $5 breakout happens, it's going to be money. How much money? Let's draw those lines here. So the first target would be $6. $6 is going to be your next big level. If we break 5, we're going to 6, and then from 6, from 6 it's 7 and then 8. So there are your levels. I would look to take profit either at $6 or 7, or scale out, sell some at 6, some at 7, whatever your selling strategy is. Stick to it. Follow the game plan. My game plan is to day trade it. I will be looking for a day trade opportunity. I'm mainly a swing trader on this channel, but every now and then, if I see an opportunity to day trade, I'll go in with the game plan. So we're playing the breakout. If the breakout happens above $5, we buy in shares on a MACD crossover. For example, down here, we got a MACD crossover. Let's go back to the run. So where was the big run? Did I miss it? Okay, there. No, where is it? Why isn't it showing up here, guys? I guess it doesn't show up on my chart. But either way, when a MACD crossover happens, we have a bit of a run up. So here it crossed over on at open, and it went from 473 to 492. And then here we got another crossover, a much cleaner crossover on the big green candle. You bought in at 492 on that crossover, went up as far as 517, and we got pushed down once, twice. So that's why I'm saying that $5 level is going to be big. And again, here we got a crossover here, ran from 454 to 462. Then it crossed over again here. You could have bought in at, let's just say you bought the top at 452, came down as low as 446. So you would not have gotten stopped out, assuming you have a nice solid stop. And then from there, it ran as far as 484. But if this, oh no, not even. It went as far as 522. So there's money to be made here, like 10, 20% on a day trade. And that is what I am watching out for. If we get a surge in volume, we could see this again go as far as 6 and 7. This is very different from my swing trading strategy. The day trading strategy, you look at the lower time frames and you see where does the MACD tend to cross over and where can we buy. Let me change the MACD here to a 5. This is supposed to be a 5, not a 3. There we go. Much cleaner crossover. Because think about it for a second, if we create higher highs and higher lows, that means that we're getting a crossover on the MACD. And as you can see very clearly, we are creating those higher highs, higher lows here. Higher highs, higher lows here. And so that's what you're looking for. Because in order for a stock to break out, what does it have to do? It has to create new highs and new higher lows. So that is why I am very interested in this stock at this point for a good day trade on Tuesday. That is the game plan, guys. So look to buy in on a crossover. Look to sell at $6, $7 if we do get that surge in volume. As for the stop loss, because we are playing the breakout, I would set, and because this one isn't that volatile, I would probably set a stop loss of 20 cents if I'm being honest with you, because here it crossed over. You would have bought in probably at 473. Yeah, like a 20-cent stop is pretty good. I think that's a solid stop, and then you can move it up or a trailing stop would be even better, a 20.20 cent trailing stop, and just go about your day, come back later and see if you made money. If you made money, great. If you didn't, oh well, you took a small loss and you move on, because you don't want to hold bags on AMC or GME for that matter. So that's what I'm watching out for. The bottom is down here under 280. So if you want to play a little, if you don't want to day trade and you just want the swing trade opportunity, definitely don't day trade on Tuesday and just wait for this to come down to $2.80, because down here is where it bottomed out before that huge run. And that is it for the video. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more day trading, swing trading opportunities. I actually give you the levels, when to sell, the take profit strategy, when to buy, and the stop loss. The stop loss being the most important thing, because we're not trying to hold bags, especially on these two. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one.